Hello guys, meron po tayo dito na saging na overripe. Huwag niyo pong itatapon pagka ganyan ang inyong mga banana. Okay, may tatlo na po ako doon. Okay, and then dalawa dito, 5. Ang gamit natin na ripe banana, and then tatlong itlog. Meron tayong 2 cup na pancake mix flour. Okay, and then little bit of oil. Okay. Okay, mash po natin ito. Yan. Okay, gamit natin yan. I-mash natin. Okay. Yan, nilagyan ko po ng 1 teaspoon ng vanilla. Okay. Then I put 3 cups of cake flour. Okay, haluin natin. Yan na po ang ating mixture, and then ito po ay sugar free. Okay, Splenda. Yan, para sugar free ang ating cake. Okay, bawal sa akin na may sugar. Okay guys, it's done the butter, so you put in here. I spray with the butter flavored oil. Okay, so it's not gonna stick. Okay, na-preheat ko na po yung aking oven, and then we're gonna cook this one for 30 minutes, or you inserted the toothpick. If come out clean, it's already cooked. Okay guys, bye bye po muna. Baking time.